are going to love the 2020 Ford Transit-250. The Transit-250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, passenger airbag on/off switch, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, third passenger door, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.